we were experiencing some weird noises when the bed was going down. So in today's video, we're gonna be creating what's gonna be the box for our bed. To create this, we're gonna start ripping a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood into 3-inch strips that are gonna be under our mattress, right? It's gonna be what's gonna hold that. The outside of our box is gonna be 1/4 inch strips, since we want to have a mattress that's gonna be 4 inches. And yes, we're gonna do that first, so stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get working. Because the ceiling area is smaller once the bed is up, we made sure to find out the measurements for the bed frame from up there. Acuéstate, acuéstate. Why is it so scary?
I don't know, but I guess I'm on here.
They are on it. Oh my gosh! They are bending. Alright babe, tell us about it.
We're about to do the pocket holes for the bed, and we're listening to the Chiefs versus the Bills right now.
We have some stained wood here. This is gonna be part of the box for our bed. And the slots. So far, everything looking fine. So this is the frame for our bed. As you can see, I am right under it. I'm 5'1", so this is perfect for me. We are going to have that little platform that we had before. We don't know if we're gonna redo it and maybe make it a couple inches lower, but we definitely are gonna keep that extra storage at the bottom. We have to permanently make the connections for the Happijac to the electricity, and we also have to buy the cedar wood, which is the same wood that we have for our ceiling, and we're gonna cover all of this with cedar wood. We're gonna stain it and everything. We think we're gonna install some string lights. String lights? Right?
Yeah, I think.
No string lights.
String lights.
Okay. Well, we're gonna install these lights.
Strips, like light strips?
Light strips, eso. Because I think that to install puck lights is gonna make this space too shiny. Like, it's gonna be way too close to our face, and we don't want that. We want this to be a cozy space and not too shiny. Estábamos aquí adentro de la van esperando por el colchón que lo pedimos y el Aidan para buscarlo. Una caja gigante. Y está lloviendo a todo dar. Así que no sé qué está haciendo. ¡Qué emoción! Justo tenemos la cama aquí, abajo. Así que yo creo que vamos a ponerlo al tiro en la cama. ¡Oh! Come on in before it gets wet. Oh. Delivery.
Super wet, but so fun. Oh, hey guys. Millard.
¿Qué
What is
pavos?
this? It's like to cut something?
Maybe.
Oh, maybe this is to cut
The plastic. The mattress was way bigger than our space, so we cut it with an electric bread cutter.
We have our mattress. Oh, look at this. Wow, comfortable. Amazing.
You still have your feet hanging.
A little bit, but
How does the pillow feel?
feels fine. It's like not completely flat because, you know,
Right.
but
Okay. We're gonna create an extension that's gonna go in both parts, so Aidan, para que Aidan no tenga que estar ahí con sus pies colgando y su cabeza colgando.
¿Qué pasa?
Comments about the mattress?
Qué firme.
Es firme y blandito a la vez.
Es que
Vamos a dejar, we're gonna leave the link down below in the description of the mattress we bought.
no sé, es muy cómodo. Es muy firme también para nuestra espaldita.
¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Estamos aquí trabajando en la van y es un día exquisito. Estamos con polera. Sun is shining.
Weather is sweet.
Y ya cortamos nuestro colchón a medida. Y cortamos extra foam del colchón que compramos para agregar. ¡Uy! Había una abeja en la cámara. Cortamos extra parte del colchón para añadir en ese espacio vacío que hay en las ventanas. También vamos a cortar más maderas para poner abajo del colchón, ya que la cama se siente firme, pero aún así se ve una curva pequeña, así que para asegurarnos con más resistencia vamos a cortar más strips y ya vamos, digamos, a rellenar los espacios, porque al fin y al cabo queríamos hacer esas strips para que el colchón respire y tenga ventilación. Así que eso, pero estamos chochísimos, tenemos nuestro colchón ya, lo único que queremos es seguir trabajando para poder sacar la van a pasear, así que nada, eso. So yesterday we worked reinforcing the bed frame. We added more of these boards, as well as putting more support here in the middle and across. And right now we're gonna work with the Happijac a little bit, because we were experiencing some weird noises when the bed was going down. So our Happijac was working a little funny when going down, like we showed you just a little while ago. And we talked with Happijac and the Lippert company. We talked to Tyler Bryan, the expert of bed lifts. He showed us that one part of our system seemed to be a little crooked, and that was making the bed lift not working perfectly. So he ended up sending us a new Happijac, like this whole thing, and so we should be getting that by Monday. So today is Wednesday, so by Monday.
What we ended up having to do was Happijac sent us 2 brand new seat channels. Rail that went across, we took from the old one. So what we did was we switched out this chain that might have had one missing link with the new chain we got, and we got all new seat channels. So now we're gonna reinstall it and see if it works, but we got to tighten up the bottom first.
Yesterday, while I was out,
we forgot to tell Tyler.
Yesterday, while I was out, Aiden put the bed back.
Again, what we did was we replaced this chain. We kept this same part of the frame, this horizontal piece, and then these 2 things that you see, the seat channels on that side, we replaced them over here and did some other work.
Good. Eso. ¿Cómo se siente?
Yeah.
1. La chica del piquero. La prueba del colchón. I'm gonna jump on it. Qué rico. Hello everyone. I've been really sick this past week. I'm kind of recovering my voice, but as you heard, it was Mardi Gras, so work and Mardi Gras, and just too hard to get my voice back that quickly. We're gonna continue in putting the Cedar up, and we bought some string lights that we plan on putting up in the ceiling, but we need to figure out how those are gonna go. Aidan is laughing because I don't have a voice, but I already explained you what happened.
No, I thought you were...
So join us in this exciting process. We have our mattress, our Cedar, and the Happijac is working fine. So let's get moving. Mardi Gras is over. Let's get working.
While we waited for the Happijac replacement to arrive, a lot happened. We had time to pet sit, we went to a wedding in Ohio, we celebrated Mardi Gras, and even made a space for getting sick. At least me. Even though it took a second to set up the bed lift, we definitely feel much more comfortable and confident about this whole system. Now that our switch is connected, we love bringing the bed down and showing it to family and friends. We hope you enjoyed this update. We know it took a second, but we are so excited to continue sharing this process with you. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.